Introducing Space 3D, the most affordable large-size SLA 3D printer, allowing you to create bigger prints for bigger dreams. Higher precision, larger printing size, and all-metal structure design. The ideal solution for printing enthusiasts and professional users with the best value for your money. Space 3D uses a UV LED 140-watt high-power light bead matrix distribution to achieve a uniform light source and faster printing speed. It helps you to be more productive and creative and opens up new possibilities for different industries, prototypes, architecture models, medical components, or design mock-ups. Space 3D is very versatile and allows you to build whatever you can imagine with an amazing high precision. It is super easy to use with a printing speed of 40 micrometer per hour and an accuracy of 85 micrometer, making it the perfect tool to realize your ideas. We offer 5 different types of resin, but Space 3D is also compatible with most third-party resins that you can find on the market, and you can use color paste to match any color you want. We are a team of 3D printing enthusiasts, passionate about the development of Space 3D. The design is very solid and stylish, so it will not only be a reliable tool to help you boost your productivity, but also look good in any environment. Our mission is to create an affordable, large-scale 3D printer for everyone that creates opportunities to people and helps them to boost their creativity. Please support us and enjoy bigger prints for bigger dreams.